Hello students, welcome back to my channel. The other day I was just going through the analytics page on my YouTube channel and I came to know that around 90% of my viewers are within the age group 20 to 32, which indicates that a lot of you are students who are watching my lecture videos or other related videos. Oftentimes, I also get messages wherein people ask me about how to find a job, where to do internships, what is the salary that they can expect once they join somewhere as a fresher, and a lot of questions around that area. As a lot of you are students, while pursuing your course, you might be wondering what are the different fields where you can go. How do you find a job for yourself and what would be the salary expectation that you should have in your mind while you are looking for a job? I know there are tons of questions that come to our mind as a student, and because I have worked for quite a few years now and I have gained a lot of experience and I have practically seen how things work, I thought that I will make a series of videos wherein I'm going to share my own experience with you guys so that you get some value out of it. From my experience, you will also be able to know what is to expect and what not once you join a certain job. In today's video, I'm going to talk about few of the options that you can look for to earn some amount of money while you are still studying, while you are still a student. What are some of the options that you can opt for to earn some amount of money for yourself? As a student, I was always fascinated about the thing that okay, somebody is studying and also they are earning at the same time, and that's so cool, right? But I never really did anything to earn money while I was studying. But if you are somebody who wants to do something, I will just give you a few examples of what I saw other people doing, or might be some of the options which I explored at a later stage of my life, but maybe you can start doing that now itself as a student. First of all, I'm going to talk about few of the things that I saw my friends doing and I really admired it. I really admired the fact that they were actually doing something to earn some amount of money. So all these things started when I joined for my BA LLB course, which is a 5 years integrated course obviously. So when I joined that particular course, the first time I saw a student was that he had appeared for some post office exam is there, wherein the minimum qualification that they were asking for was 12 pass. So after completing your 12, basically you can apply for that job. And that guy, he applied for the job also. We were in first semester at that point in time, just clueless about our life, and we were just doing the studies. So he applied for that job and he also got selected. And then he got a job, and I think he was getting salary of somewhere 30,000 or something like that he was getting. I don't remember, but it was in between 25,000 to 35,000, something he was getting. So what he did is he left the course, he left his BA LLB course, and then he joined some other degree course as a part-time basis. So basically he was doing full-time job and he was doing some like studies as a part-time. This in fact I have seen in my current organization also, wherein there are a lot of students who have just completed their 12th and they are doing full-time job. Along with that, they are studying graduation. Somebody to completed even MBA also, like 3 years BCom and after that 2 years MBA. So like that, there are a lot of students who do full-time job. Along with that, they are doing some part-time studies, which is really like a great thing that they are doing, right? Like managing two things is quite a difficult task which they are doing. So this is one of the ways how people do full-time job as well as carry forward their studies. Now the second example that I saw was in my university itself when I was doing BA LLB course. There were two girls who were into selling Oriflame products, like they were working as an agent, I think on commission basis. So what they will do is, it was like a huge classroom. There will be too many benches, too many students, some 80 students in one class itself. So what she will do is she will bring one catalog of Oriflame, another one was there, Avon or something. She would bring the catalog from one bench to the other. She would just go and she will show the catalog, and obviously, right, they are graduation students. A lot of students would actually order lipsticks, eyeshadows, eyeliners, bags and stuff like that. So she would bring all of those stuff and she would earn some commission based on the sale that she is doing. And she did this for around 2-3 years, I guess, towards the end of our course. I think 3rd year, 4th year, 5th year, like that. She did it, and that was in fact a very good thing, right? She don't need to put a lot of effort also, but she would be earning some amount of money, which is definitely enough if you are just a student. So this might be one option if you have good networking and if you are okay with selling things, then might be these are few options that you can check out. Now the third thing that I saw a lot of people doing is that taking tuitions. Yes, because once you are in college or once you are in university, there were a few students who took tuition classes for like class 1, 2 or like for lower grades. They used to take tuitions. Even for higher grades also, if you are good in English, maybe maths, science, you can give tuitions, which is another good option. As a student, you can earn some amount of money to like meet your expenses. Then there were another bunch of students who were good at something, like they were good in debating or might be in like anchoring and stuff like that. So what they would do is part-time somewhere, if there is some show or something, they would go and they would be the anchor there. They will earn some 1,000, 2,000 amount. They will be a judge in some like debate competition and some competition. There also they would get some amount of money. Like that also, if you are good in something, you can utilize that. Might be you are good in dance, right? You can join a school and you can teach there, maybe on Saturdays, Sundays, like that. Like without affecting your studies, whatever you can do, you can explore those options as well. There are other people who are good in doing DIY things, right? Maybe you can explore that also, that you are making a painting and you are selling that, right? There are so many other creative things. Might be you love biryani, you order a lot of biryani from outside and you get the matka. So if you are good in painting and doing DIYs, might be you can decorate that matka and you can actually sell that amongst your friends, family members or somebody for maybe 200-300 rupees. It's for free, you are getting the matka, you can decorate it and then you can sell it and earn some money for yourself. So these are other few options that you can explore. Apart from that, maybe you can club together different things. Maybe you are not making anything, but you are like looking out for options, and then you are clubbing things together and then you are selling that. Might be you are selling like party decoration, might be for birthdays and stuff like that, right? You are putting few balloons, few happy birthday things like that. You are just accumulating things from here and there. You are making it into a box and then you are selling it for a higher price. There also you would have margin. So these are also few other things in the creative side that you can do to explore, like to earn some amount of money for yourself while you are still a student. Then another option is that might be you can explore YouTube. If you need any help or guidance, you can put that in the comment section below. I would love to guide you regarding that also. So you can explore options on YouTube as well. Might be you are studying, so you can make study motivation videos, like you are studying and you have simply recorded yourself. That will motivate yourself also, and also you can act as a motivator for many other students. By looking at you studying, they would also feel like studying. So like that you can start with YouTube videos as well, which is also another great option to explore as a student if you want to earn some amount. The next option is that you can provide some services also to other people. Like there is content writing, right? If you are good in writing, then you can offer content writing services to other people. There are a lot of different things that happen in content writing. One is ghost writer. You act as a ghost writer. That is when once your content is published, your name will not be there, somebody else's name will be there and it will be published in their name. Because you are acting as a ghost writer, you might be getting a bit higher payment as compared to like a regular writer if the content is getting published in your name. So like that also you can explore. There are a lot of websites also wherein you can do these work as a freelancer and you can earn some amount of money. There are different websites, there are different blogs, there are different blogs, there are different magazines, newspapers. You can just explore that for yourself. Apart from that, you can also act as an author for different guidebooks. Like you have completed your 12th and now you are in college or you are in university. You can act as an author for guidebooks, right, for 12th or class 10 students, and there you can share your experience, or you can like share some notes, prepare some notes, and you can sell that also. As a content writer or as an author, you will get some amount of money over there as well. And the most beneficial option, which is for you also, it is beneficial, and along with that you will be earning some amount of money also, is to look for paid internships. Yes, internships are a part and parcel of your course. You would anyways have to do internships, and that will also give you a lot of exposure about how the real industry looks like, right? So if you are looking for internships, always give some time and always like look for options. There are a lot of paid internships as well, like National Human Rights Commission, they take interns, and they are well paid also. 3,000, 5,000 rupees you will be getting, right? So you can look for those notifications. Most of the government websites, you can like look for these internship options, and a lot of times you would get paid internships. If you want me to make a separate video on paid internships, you can let me know that in the comment section below. I have already made a video related to internships, by the way, wherein I explain what sort of internships you should do. But yeah, on paid internship, if you want me to make a video, I can do that also. So internship, or rather paid internship, is another option how you can like increase your knowledge also. You can explore different industries, fields also, and also earn some amount of money. And now, apart from all of these, what you can do is you can join some senior advocate, or you can join some firm. And obviously, like before completing your course, you are not entitled to represent a person, right? You are not yet an advocate, you are just a lawyer studying your course. But what you can do is you can join some firm, or you can join a senior, and you can say that I can help you in typing, or I can help you in research, right? Some specific area you can tell them, and they might also be paying you some amount of money, because the practicing advocates, they have a lot of typing or a lot of manual works to be done. There also you can assist them and earn some amount of money. So these were few of the options that you can opt for, or that you can explore as a student, on how you can earn some amount of money. So that was all for today's video. If you found any value out of this video, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, all the best for your future endeavors. Bye for now.